Hello, everybody. This is Dave. I'm here looking at Bitcoin USDT on Binance, and I'm going to explain why I'm still bearish. And so far, I was looking and I found this bottom trend line to be something very interesting. And let's go back to our first bull run. This is when I first found out about Bitcoin. So here we had resistance. So it went all the way back down here eventually, and it said, okay, let me go back and test the resistance again. It broke through, retested, and once the trend line breaks and retests, that's a continuation of the trend. So right now we're bullish, and this was the confirmation that we had a bullish trend upcoming. And then what happened? Bull run. Bitcoin goes parabolic, and it flies. What was this? 2017, 2018 here. We end up going down, and we broke through the trend line. And then this year, we broke through it on the upside through bullish trend. And you could see that this trend line is very respected throughout. Here, here, here. We broke through it, retested it, and that confirmed our bullish trend. And then we had another mini bull run right here. So now it comes time after this channel, we see that we're here at top resistance. And I really think that it will hit, what is this? 8,450. It is very possible that Bitcoin could see that price in the next day. But ultimately, I think it's going to shoot down. January 15th, China and the US have phase one of their trade deal being made. I think that's going to be one of the catalysts for a recent drop. And then I just want to see it retest this bottom trend line again. I think it's a major point of support that we have right now. As you know, once you break resistance, it becomes support. And you kind of want to look at things from a whale perspective. Let's say I have something crazy like $10 million, right? And I want to insert it into the market. I'm not going to choose a 4-hour time frame of support because the chances are it's going to blow right through and it's just not strong enough. So you look at your weeklies and you look at trend lines, and this trend line has been going on for almost 2 years. So I think it's very valid. It's been retested. It shows signs of continuation of trends. And if we're going to have a bull run anytime this year into 2021, I really think this bottom trend line has to be touched. And around May, Bitcoin is halving. I don't know how to say that, halving, whatever. That means the total supply is going to be cut in half, which means price is going to go up. So I think that's going to be the catalyst, along with some world news and politics in there, for the next bull run. And so what level we're at here, I really want to see it hit at least 6,000. And if we're lucky, we'll get a quick wick. I think I'll make my majority buys around the 6,100 levels. Again, I use Bitcoin as my index. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm going all in on Bitcoin. I just use it to trade, and it gives me kind of guidance on when I should or should not be investing, when I should be shorting, take my money out, or longing, putting my money in. But yeah, that's why I'm short on Bitcoin for the time being.